What up, YouTube? So this is Brian636's Sportster. It's Harley Davidson Sportster. A guy in Tampa who actually used to be in the Marines with Brian won this, and he showed up at the stunt lot yesterday just for a little session. Me and Hector were just going out there to test his new rotor, make sure it worked. I guess this guy and Hector also went to middle school and high school together, so they've known each other for a while. So we invited him out to the stunt lot, and I realized that it was Brian636's Harley Davidson Sportster. So pretty cool in this video. He lets me ride it, and I try to wheelie it. And at the end of this video, if you guys are new stunt riders and new riders, give you guys a little motivation, a little pep talk if you guys are interested in sticking around to the end. Little words of wisdom from your boy Photogromer. All right, let's get into it. So I assume you haven't scraped this yet?
No, sir. I haven't even got a balance point yet.
Yeah.
I haven't rode it much since I grabbed it.
When did you win it?
Last year sometime. I was in Afghanistan. We waited like 4 months before he gave it to me.
You went all the way out there?
Yeah. Out here, as I can see, is a lot of Groms.
Yeah.
You know, Grom. Because I feel like if I start trying to learn, shit, brake cycling is so expensive.
Yeah. And it's a lot of power, you know, like...
No, I can get it up now, but I'm not going to get it up to balance point.
Right. That's what I'm saying. To get it to balance point and, like, to learn balance point, you gotta get through that chasing shit, and then you got all that power going fast, and it's heavy. And I'm sure with this one, it's really heavy when it's up there. That would scare me.
The reason I tried the stand-up on that one, on the Grom, is because...
Is that a gas tank?
For here, that's for the oil.
Oh. Is that a gas tank?
We'll ride it?
Yeah. Can I try to wheelie it? Like, without crashing it? Is it hard? Oh, it's heavy. Brian636. This is Brian636's, you know? What are all these buttons?
A lot of them don't work.
What is that, a blinker?
On, is it on neutral?
Yeah, I got the clutch in. It has to be in neutral?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, baby.
Front brake's a little new, so.
Brian636, I got your bike, boy. Dude, what the fuck am I doing on this? I ain't ready for this. Dude, this thing bottoms out, huh? I'm scared. You know what I don't like is my finger. Look how far this clutch is. You know what I don't like? Is where this is at, because like I can't. I can't get my finger to pull it in and still cover the handbrake.
Got it, bro. In the bag.
Thanks, bud. The smallest wheelie that this bike has seen. I can give it the sauce. Hold on. I'm gonna figure this guy out. Fucking wheel just spun. Alright, we gotta get at least one balance point, right? It like spins a little bit.
It's either spins or it goes up.
Yeah.
That's why when you pop the clutch, you gotta pull that bitch.
Well,
I've only got it to like right here. I can't get it past
I want to try to get at least like I want to try to get at least like close to balance. That's funny, bro. This thing's weird. I've never ridden a Harley before.
I know. Is that your first time riding Harley?
Yeah, I've never ridden a Harley. I don't know if I like it or not. It's like powerful and like.
I know.
Yeah, shout out to Stunt Something, a boy over in Cali. Does scrapes on these things. Obviously Brian did, but. Maybe second would be easier. Let's try second. Nah, second's not it. Alright, one more. Now I gotta put this back. Otherwise, Brian's gonna come down the floor to repo his Harley back. I just don't like how when it comes down, it feels so aggressive on the forks.
Well, it's not bad.
Yeah, I'm a little worried like when it's starting to bottom out and that fork seal's going, but yeah, I appreciate you letting me.
So, hey, I'm gonna come around more often so you can get good at it.
Alright.
Me and you will both.
Yeah,
We'll learn together on this thing.
That's crazy, man. I think Brian will come down and like repo it before we get good at it.
The second to last one you did, that was a close.
Yeah, I can feel that one coming up, and then as soon as I got like to like weird balance point starts to go, I put it back down. Like I was like, I don't like I don't know. Like I usually what I do on my bikes is I got, just in case, like, you know, he had brake fade in his, like I use foot brake, but like I always cover my handbrake just in case, like, for whatever reason it goes out, I just fucking grab that and then you got the backup. Like usually I do like this, so my hand would have to be like way the fuck out here to pop it and still cover, which feels weird. I don't know, I want to do one more. Come on.
This or like this?
Like that. I'll put it on my story. Yeah, scrape it. Can we do stabbies? I gotta do what Brian does. Put a foot down and around like some naked homeless woman. Just doesn't burn out. All right, I gotta do it this way. I gotta do it that way. There's like sand there. Give me a day with it. Brian636, I'll be coming to Chicago, taking over the homeless ladies on a Hood Eats. What the hell are you doing out here? That was all right. All right. Stop you. Oh, bro, I felt like I was a lot higher than that. It's like the first wheelies. We're gonna have to fucking thumbnail and like rotate it. The whole church is sideways. Shut the fuck up. Oh, that's cool, man. Yeah, I'd be scary as fuck to learn on. I'd be like more scared of it like falling on me type shit, you know? This is a little bit different to like keep up. That comes down to the weights. You're not keeping that up.
Yeah, if it like does that little sideways shit.
Yeah, so Brian636's bike, I guess homie there was in the Marines with him back in the day. Won that off the raffle. He says that he entered like everyone else. I don't know, Brian. Little simplified Ellis right there, right? We're gonna teach him. So he wants to get a Grom. He doesn't want to learn on that, which I don't blame him one whatsoever, because learning on that would be friggin' terrifying. I mean, I know how to wheelie, and I don't even want to wheelie that thing, especially when it comes down, because when you're learning, you're mouse trapping, right? So you're grabbing that brake too much, you're scared, and you hit it a little too hard, and then you know what happens. You come straight down, them forks, they slam down, you're gonna break something. Probably a couple teeth. Alright, so I posted a little something on Instagram the other day about new Grom stunners. Don't get discouraged, you know, if your wheelies look like trash. And I kind of just showed one of my early wheelies when I first got my Grom and tried to learn how to wheelie and really couldn't, and just kind of show my progression to where I'm at now. And I wanted to show you guys something, so I asked for still frames of people crashing, because I want you guys to know, especially if you're new stunners, and it goes to like new riding as well, it's not if you're gonna crash, it's when you're gonna crash on a motorcycle. Two different riders, those have been down and those have yet to go down. Same goes for stunting. In fact, it's definitely amplified or multiplied by a lot of percentage. If you're stunting, you're definitely going down. First off, if you're getting into stunting and you're frustrated because you can't learn balance point, you're doing little wheelies and you just can't figure it out, or you're looping out a lot, mouse trapping a lot, don't get discouraged. It's bound to happen. It happens to everyone. Look at all these pictures. You know, you don't just wake up and get to where you see Brian636 on that bike, myself on this bike. You know, I can put myself up there with Brian. I mean, I'm not clutch up in with a foot yet on the Grom, but I got the chicken wing now. I got a little bit of hand drag. I can honk my horn. That's kind of cool. There it is. But you don't get here overnight. And what I don't show, and a lot of people don't show, or maybe if you just don't look hard enough, is all the time that people progress off camera. Dank Wheelie, that man is a damn maniac when it comes to a lot. Every Sunday, every Saturday, you would find him at a lot, and you would never see that footage on his channel. You got people out here hitting a lot every weekend. You're gonna get good. That's all it took for me was a damn coronavirus to come along and make lockdowns happen, so everyone was staying at home. All these parking lots freed up, and I got pretty good at foot brake, and then everything else came with it. that's all I want to say is a quick shout out to Brian636. Your bike is in good hands now. And all the new stunners out there, stay motivated. All the new riders out there, stay motivated. Humble yourself up, get out to the lot, practice wheelies if you're into that. Practice just being a better rider, and take your time, don't get frustrated. Everyone that you see that is doing those cool Instagram scrapes and drifting around naked homeless women, they all started where you're starting right now, including myself and everyone else that you've seen in any video on YouTube. Nobody got on a bike and started hand dragging off the first wheelie. And yes, we make it look easy because we got that muscle memory, but eventually you'll be able to make it look easy too. Fingertips only. All right, guys, have yourself a beautiful day. See you next one.